First we write the equation only a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b equals to 2c upon x minus c. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Then we consider all the terms in the denominator x minus a, x minus b, x minus c as non-zero. Why? As they are in denominator, we know that from the definition of rational number, a rational number is a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q with q not equal to 0. That is, denominator is non-zero. So denominator x minus a is non-zero, x minus b is non-zero, and x minus c is non-zero as they are in denominator. So we have to write this in bracket also. Now we convert this to c upon x minus c, means we will break it in two parts. As we know that 2a equals to a plus c, so 2c upon x minus c equals to c upon x minus c plus c upon x minus c. Understood? Now we transfer the c upon x minus c to the left hand side. So a upon x minus a minus c upon x minus c equals to, and this c upon x minus c and this b upon x minus b is also transferred to right hand side. So minus b upon x minus c. Now if we take LCM of the denominators in left hand side, x minus a into x minus c, it is x minus a into x minus c. Is that clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
And in the right hand side also, we will follow the same procedure, means taking the LCM of denominators, x minus c into x minus b. So numerator is c into x minus b minus b into x minus c. Now I have told you that we have not to cancel the terms containing x. Those factors which have x should not be cancelled out till it is confirmed that they are non-zero. But it is confirmed that they are non-zero. X minus c is non-zero. We have proved this in previous steps. So we can this time cancel this x minus c from both sides, and we can cancel only those which are non-zero. Is that clear to you? This is what I have told you in the previous sessions also. So when we open the bracket, a into x minus c means ax minus ac minus c into x minus a is minus cx, minus into minus plus minus c into minus a plus ca, and in the denominator x minus c will be cancelled out. X minus c is cancelled out. Why? As it is non. So in the denominator only x minus a is there. In the second, when we open the bracket, cx minus bc minus bx minus minus plus bc over x minus c is already cancelled out, so it is x minus b. Is that clear to you? Now in the numerator, which is very clear that ca and ac are the same things, so they will be cancelled out. So in next line, a into x minus c into x, ax minus cx over x minus a equals to, in this bc will be cancelled out, so cx minus bx over x minus b will be cancelled out. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now x is common in the numerator, है ना? So if we take x common in the numerator, it is c minus a minus c. Okay. A minus c over denominator is x minus a. Okay, equals to, in right hand side also x is common in the numerator, into c minus b over x minus b. Now this time we cannot cancel x, as it is not given that it is non-zero, means it can be zero also. Is that clear to you? So this time we cannot cancel this x, as this is also in both sides. In this we have cancelled x minus c as it is non-zero, which was confirmed. But in this it is not confirmed that x is 0 or not, so we cannot cancel it. So what we will do, we have to only cross multiply x into a minus c into x minus b equal to x into c minus b into x minus a. Is that clear to everyone? It implies x into a minus c into x minus b minus. Transfer all the terms to the same side to make it an equation. Equation means in which we take all the terms equals to 0. Then only we can solve any equation. So first term is x into a minus c into x minus b, longer term, है ना? And second term is x into c minus b into x minus a. Out of these two terms, x is common in both. So in first it is a minus c into x minus b minus in second c minus b into x minus a remains equals to 0. It implies either the first factor is x. So x equals to 0. Never cancel this x. Never cancel this x until it is confirmed that to be 0. Until it is confirmed to be 0. Okay. If it is non-zero, then can be cancelled. Either x equals to 0 or the second bracket is 0. That is a minus c into x minus b minus c minus b into x minus a equals to 0. Now open this bracket, a into x minus b. So ax minus a into b, ab minus c into x minus cx plus minus c into minus b, bc minus square bracket c into x, cx minus ca, c into a, ca minus bx minus minus plus AB equals to 0. Is that clear to you? It implies now we will solve only this as one value we already have obtained that it is 0. Now AX minus AB minus CX plus BC, open the bracket, minus CX minus minus plus CA minus minus plus BX minus AB equals to 0. It implies now this AX minus CX plus BX are written together. AX minus CX plus BX. And all the terms which do not have X are transferred to the next side. Minus AB becomes minus AB becomes plus AB. Plus BC is transferred to right hand side minus BC. CA is transferred to right hand side minus CA. Minus AB is transferred to right hand side plus AB. Now we are observing that it is minus CX minus CX. So AX minus 2CX plus BX equals to AB plus AB. 2AB minus BC minus CA. It implies when we take X common, A plus B minus 2C. And in this, nothing is common in all the three terms. So we write it as it is. So X equals to 2AB minus BC minus CA over A plus B minus 2C. Is that clear to you? So the solution set for X equals to 0. One of the value we have already calculated, it is 0. And the second is 2AB minus BC minus CA over A plus B minus 2C, which is the answer. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir, clear.
Any doubt? No, na?
No, sir.
So this is the solution of question number 2C. So what is the next doubt?
Sir, 4A.
4A. No one has written this in batch.
Sir, my doubt.
You have to also write, other will not write that. Solve up to 3 significant figures. This one.
Yes, sir.
सर
हाँ,
सर 3 significant figures के लिए ये आंसर करेक्ट है 0.54.
yes, these are 3 significant. 2x
Okay, sir.
1 by x equals to 7. Question number 3a, 2x minus 1 by x equals to 7. So first we take the LCM as x. So 2x into x, 2x square minus 1 equals to 7. Then cross multiply it to get 2x square minus 1 equals to cross multiplying 7x. It implies x square minus 7x minus 1 equals to 0. Now can you tell me the Sidrachar formula?
Sir, x equals to minus b x minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a.
So when we compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, what is the value of a, b?
Sir,
A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, and c is equal to minus 1. And now we write from quadratic formula. To solve the quadratic equation, we can use quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so we will use these values in this formula to find the value of x equals to minus value of b is minus 7. So we write minus 7 plus minus under root b square is minus 7, 4 square minus 4 into a into c over 2a. So minus of minus 7, it is plus 7 plus minus under root 7 square 49 minus into minus plus 4 to the 8 by 4. So 7 plus minus under root 57 by 4. Okay, is that clear to you? So value of x is 7 plus minus root 57 by 4. So now we have to find the square root of 57. So
Sir, I have found it. 7.549.
have I asked you?
No, sir. No, sir.
So now you have to solve it completely and send me in WhatsApp, everyone, all the questions which I have discussed. And you have to complete the sheet today.